Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you about something that I did in my home. I was actually able to convert these old recessed can lights to these modern LED lights. And it's so easy that practically any homeowner can do it as long as you're willing to sort of learn how it's done. Now, obviously this is going to differ in any situation, but I'm gonna basically tell you what I did, okay? First of all, let me show you the difference. Without the lights on, you can see that this looks very just older, and these are still LED bulbs. These bulbs were upgraded and the trim was upgraded, but definitely still quite older compared to when you look at this, a much cleaner look. Now, if I can just have the lights turned on just for a moment, I'll show you the brightness difference. Okay, so if you take a look right here, these bulbs, much dimmer, sort of like a warm white color, and these bulbs, super bright, much more light, okay? Can I just have the lights turned off just for one moment, please? So now, I'm gonna show you what they look like. So the coolest thing about it is that they're super easy to install. What I basically did was I removed the old trim and the housing, which actually was just like this over here. So we had the bulb that was removed and the trim. Okay, and it exposed basically a very open can. Okay, and then where the bulb was, I attached this pigtail that came in the box, and I'll show you the box in a moment. I attached the pigtail. The other end of the pigtail has this connector, and this connector gets connected to the modern LED bulb. Okay, all right, just hold the camera there for 1 second. I'll go and retrieve the props over here. So it connects to the bulb really easily, just pop it in place. Once this is connected into the light bulb socket, you can choose, well, even you can choose before it's connected, you can choose the color that you want. So there are actually 5 different color options, and you can choose whichever color you want. So you can have warm white, cool white, daylight, all these different color options, and then you just secure it in place. You can use the torsion springs like this, or you can use, there are like these tension pieces, tension brackets that you can sort of use to put in place. Really easy to do. I've already done 13 of the lights in the basement out of the 18. I have 5 more, and each light takes me about 5 minutes. So I was really impressed with this, so I just wanted to share it with you. So if I can just have the lights turned on one more time, you can see that the older lights, much dimmer, okay? The more modern lights give a much brighter effect. And also, a side note, the older light bulbs were actually buzzing, and I was going to replace the light bulbs, and these costed about the same amount as a new light bulb. So an entirely new LED fixture like this cost about the same amount roughly. It was a little bit cheaper than a whole new bulb with these types of bulbs. So for about the same price, I completely upgraded to a whole new look, which stopped the buzzing, gives better lighting, which is better for hanging out down here in the basement and just for videos in general. So for my filming will hopefully be a little bit better down here as well. Before I go, I just want to show you the box that it came with. It's actually by a company called Commercial Electric. You can see this is a 3-pack, 5 and 6 inch LED color changing recessed trim. So it can cover a 5 inch or a 6 inch trim. These are 6 inches right here. I believe I've seen them in 4 inches as well. It's a 3-pack. I live in Canada, so in Canadian dollars, I think I paid, it was about 13 or 14 bucks per light fixture, okay, when you work it out into the 3-pack. Something of that nature. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper, maybe it's a little bit more expensive. Don't quote me on that. But I've seen other companies that make a very similar product, really easy to install. That's it. I just wanted to show you what I did. I mean, I was really impressed by how cool it was, and I just wanted to share it with you in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.